Chiefs, the proclamation of the Anishinaabe Chinookanagewin is carried.
Anishinaabe, we've just witnessed something that is truly remarkable and truly historic. You know, I am so proud of all of you, but I'm even more proud of Sagmuk and Kwamakong and Thessalon. You know, that are going to be just following along shortly. You know, that's fine. You know, we have to, you know, respect that. And I really respect the kindness and the way that you've explained to us your position, and we fully understand that. You know, it's an exciting time for Anishinaabe. You know, we you know, I look out there, not just at the circle of our Gimaw and Gimaw and our elders, but I look back at all the Anishinaabe there. Wow. Shtataha. You know, those people that worked on this. You know, the elders, I particularly want to thank the elders that worked on the Godwewin Gadzid Anishinaabe. Such a powerful guiding principles that we have to live by. You know, I can't even say it in words how important that is. It's so important. And we've just begun a journey. You know, like Chief Nod says, we got that first step. Now it's time, you know, to work on bringing that second foot forward. Great words of wisdom. You know, and every chief that spoke, and those that didn't speak, you know, are saying volumes as well. You know, because you've indicated, you know, that you've already addressed this issue at the various forums we had, and you said it loud and clear. You know, how we need to move forward here. I want to say, you know, we're going to be much stronger. We're going to be coming from a position of strength when we go out there at every level, at every forum. Symbolism of this is something to behold. Symbolism of this, you know, harkens to the fact that we're an Anishinaabe nation. That's who we are. And no one can tell us different. No one can use, you know, their legislation, their policy to say otherwise. You know, some people may have heard me say, a moose can't be a duck, and a duck can't be a moose. Well, we can't be nothing else but Anishinaabe. And nobody is going to tell us different. Now we got something like this Chinookanagewin to shove in their face. Yahweh.
Oh, miigwech kenin dekket. Keget nun doing wanda kemak kabina gabigig dejek. Keni Exageni no week magong ba wave. John Bochang menage. Keget ich bin jabung gobon. Mage ni jabon. Jabugo sinde kinen besh gome. Asna begig de kak. Konad mago. Mi manda gak kidyang eskimat stang manda. Ne shenje ne kenegego gak kidik. Kenego enching. Kawe moki taga sijenda. Kainginon ziwe. Keget snagdedek. Eşgabuing angundang. Ni shiwjene amdama. Kadab sindona en kitoin. Panegadik the mewe. Wedek. Kadan kitona. Kishpen manden kei. Going wishing. Misa. Wanda gimakashit. Give not talk. Kegi, Gema, Rakidin, Gid. Beshem Nani Wume. Gadam Negeme. Kababi go. Chiefs, I think what we're witnessing and what we just heard, it's hard to be a leader. It's hard to take positions sometimes, but we are here together. We've always said that. It was very encouraging to hear each one of you chiefs that stood up here just a minute ago and say, we're still standing beside you. We're not ready. We have always said from day one, if you are not ready, call us. That offer was always there from the nation. We will come back and work with you. We will. Those were very encouraging to each and every one of us. There's no sad feelings here. You listen to your citizens, the directive you took. That is the chief's role. And again, that's what our paper says. Who do we work for? Me and Keith going when the Snabek squang them dubjik. Nashude and dying a archik nangoga. Gabis dog home. Yabush could gain in way. Gapskabi Ganat Mo now and the Gemak will help your chiefs and your counselors and all of you back home. So that we all, it may take months. I hope not too many years, but we will be 39 and more, I hope. Miigwech.